Hi, hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to use promotional credit from Amazon. So I bought uh, $50 in Amazon gift card, and Amazon gave me the promotional credit, $15 credit, but it's hard to use it. So what did I do is I tried to find out um, everything, and I Google it, and but it's hard to find how to use it. So that's why I made this one. So I click on the terms and conditions in here, and it pop up. It's showing, and this promotional credit credit of 15 will be automatically applied to Amazon.com. But whenever I try to buy the products, but it won't show. So I talked to the customer service and waiting for almost 30 minutes and they figure it out, and it says that sold by Amazon and fulfilled by Amazon.com. If you click on, it's gonna pop up. So when you type on the all department, sold and fulfilled by Amazon only products, and it pop up the lot of products you can choose by using promotional credit card, promotional credit $15. So I chose this one, and like this. So I put it in the cart. So try to click, proceed to checkout. But just before that, you can see if I add a $10 1 cent, and I can get a free shipping. So if you want to get a free shipping, you can get another one, put it on, and you can get it. However, so when you click on the continue, and you can see um, 14.99 discount apply. That apply. So total is zero because I have a promotional credit $15. And when you click on, you can see a delivery here and shipping, and you can see the zero amount you can pay, which is discount apply. So just before place your order, and order summary is 14.99, and shipping fee is $5.99. So basically, you don't pay anything because you have promotional fee credit $15. So if you have any questions, please write down. Thank you. Bye.